So new chapter for today. Okay, binomial expansion. So I was just going through what are the chapters that is left. So this is one of them, and there is another chapter, proof. But let me do binomial expansion first. Okay, let's do that. So what is it? Okay, first of all, we did separate formulas in our this thing. We did separate formulas in class 11, but here the formula is different. Remember, in your bracket inside, okay, if one of them is 1, you end up using this formula: 1 plus nx, n is the power, plus n minus 1 into x squared divided by 2 factorial, again plus n minus 1 n minus 2 3 factorial. See again 2 takle, square takle 2 factorial, cube takle 3 factorial, and so it continues. Okay, but the first one is always 1. When you open the bracket, the first part is always 1. The next part is power x, then n minus 1 square divided by 2 factorial, n minus 1 n minus 2 cube divided by 3 factorial, and so. This part understood, everyone? This part understood, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now we will now open this particular A part and B part by using this formula. Can you see the one has already been given to you and they wrote x? So if we use the formula, this is how you should open A part. You write 1, then you write 4x. No need to worry about this plus minus this sign over here right now, because everything is plus. Why? Because of plus sign. Then n is 4, then 4 minus 1 is cube, 4 into 3, x square divided by 2 factorial. Okay, then plus again 4 3, but this time you're going to write 2 as well, because 4 minus 2 is 2. Then x cube divided by 3 factorial, that is 6. Okay, and they said us to open the whole term. That means still x raised to 4 I need to open. So let's do this now. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. X raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial, which you can find it from the calculator. Is this understood? How I opened the bracket, everyone, guys?
Yes.
Okay, now you can simplify them if you want to, like 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So this is going to be 6x square. Then here 3 2s are 6, 6. This is going to be 4x cube. Here 4 3 2 1, everything only x raised to 4 will be there. Okay, so let's check the mark scheme, what they wrote. 1 plus 4x 6x square, 4x cube, and x raised to 4. Okay, I'll pause the recording. Okay, you guys open this bracket, A part. Once you finish A part by using the formula, please open the B part also for me. Okay, then I will show you guys the answer. I'll pause the recording. You have to remember your binomial expansion in your AS level for this, by the way. Okay, resume recording. Let me do the B part now. Let me just copy paste this. Paste. There you go. So this is what you should do. First thing first, you write 1. Then you write plus minus 2x. Okay, because 1 plus nx hobe. So instead of x, what is x over here? Minus 2x. What is x here? Minus 2x. So I give minus 2x plus d. I can সবগুলো plus দিয়ে আমি এরপরে I need to do n, which is 3. 3 into n into n minus 1. 3 into 2 into minus 2x whole square divided by 2 factorial plus 3 into 2 into 1 minus 2x whole cube divided by 3 factorial. Instead of 3 factorial, I'm writing 6. Okay, so let's try. 1 minus 2x, 2 gets cancelled, minus 2 square is 4, plus 4 into 3 is 12, so plus 12x over here, Then 3 2s are 6, 6 and 6 gets cancelled. It's going to be minus 8x cube. Let's see. 1 minus 2x plus 12x. 1 minus 2x plus 12 minus 8x cube. Okay, this 6 again is 6 ase. Okay, 3 4s are 12. 2x. Instead of 2x, 0 to 6x. Why? Oh, nx, my bad, sorry. Nx, it should be nx, yeah. There should be a 3. It's going to be minus 6x. Okay. Shall I clear as you guys are done with this. I'm pretty sure all of you did this by the way. So let's continue now with the next question. Now we will be doing these kind of questions. How do you do these kind of questions? Guys, remember, none of your equations are supposed to be in the denominator. You're supposed to take it up. So 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to minus 1. Sorry, 1 plus x raised to minus 1. Okay, you bring them up. So here your n is minus 1 and you have to just follow the formula, but it gets a lot. So find the first 4 terms. They said find the first 4 terms. Because of this negative sign, things get a bit more complicated. How? Let me show you. So this is your equation, because 1 divided by 1 plus x, you can just bring it up. 1 plus x raised to minus 1. Okay, let me paste it. 1 plus x raised to minus 1. And which formula are we supposed to use? We are supposed to use this formula over here. Let me just clean it. This one. We are going to use this formula. Okay. So, okay. 1 plus x. I skip 14th. 1 plus x raised to n. Okay. 1. Let me write 1 first. Then n. N hoche minus 1. Na? What's your x here? X minus 1x. Plus n minus 1 into minus 2. Bhaiya kibabe? Dekho n is jagah minus 1 do. Minus 1 is minus 2. Into x square. Remember, there is no negative sign here. If there was a negative sign here, things would be a lot complicated. Whatever, x square divided by 2 factorial, which is 2. I'm getting charta term. They said me to find the 4th term. 1, 2, this whole thing 3, now 4th. So this is going to be minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into x cube divided by 3 factorial, which is 3 into 2. Okay, so your overall solution is 1 plus. So instead of plus, you can write minus x. Then look, minus is going to be positive. So there is going to be a plus sign over here. Okay, plus 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So it's going to be x square. Okay, then here minus is going to be plus. So there is going to be another plus sign over here. But 3 and 2 will get cancelled. 3 and 2 will get cancelled. Okay. It's going to be negative. It's going to be negative. So negative x cube. So 1 minus x plus x square negative x cube. Let's see what they said. 1 minus x plus x square negative x cube, and so and so. Okay, guys, you understood how to open 1 divided by 1 plus x? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's go with this. Achha, you guys do this right now, by the way. Repeat it again and try to do B part on your own as well by using the same formula. I'll pause the recording. So let's do this B part now. Same, we are going to just follow the steps and we are going to just follow the formula just like before. So let me just delete this part. This was A part done. Now let's go to the B part. This also can be written in the form of 1 minus 3x raised to. So you guys have to open this. So let's start with this. How will you do it? 1 as usual. Then n. What is n? Half. And what is x minus 3x? Okay. Then again plus n minus 1, that's going to be half minus 1 into x square, that is going to be minus 3x. It's getting complicated. All the letters has to be as it is, and you need a calculator in front of you. How many terms did they say? 4 terms here as well. 4 terms it is. Okay, 4 terms. Now again, तीन term हो गया. Then let's go with this half minus 1, half minus 2. Okay, again x cube divided by 3 factorial is 6. Now we need to just finalize them. So how will this be? This is going to be 1 plus, what is minus 3? It's going to be minus 1.5, because 3 divided by 2 is 1.5x. Then what is that going on over here? That I think I need to write one more step. Half into minus half, this is going to be into minus 3 square into x square divided by 2. Guys, I need calculator help over here from you guys. Half into, again, minus half into half minus 2, that is going to be minus 1.5. Minus 1.5 into x cube divided by 6. Now everything here you guys need to do it calculator, like this one, half into minus half, which is minus 1 by 4. Okay, so this minus sign and this minus sign will become positive. So half into minus 3 into half again, minus 3 square into half again. Put this in the calculator, get the answer. Half into minus half into minus 1.5 into 1 by 6. Put this in the calculator. Just tell me the values, how much you guys are getting. Okay, I'll pause the recording and let me know the values. Mistake alert, mistake alert, mistake alert. So let me write mistake. I wrote the mistake where here. I'm supposed to give minus 3x whole cube. Okay, because that 3x minus 3x is the place of x over here. So it's supposed to be minus 3x whole cube. Sorry guys, that is a mistake I made over here. Okay, so here it's going to be half into minus half into 1.5 into 3 cube. I forgot to give 3 cube here. Minus 3 cube. There is going to be a minus 3 cube here. You have to put everything in the calculator and find me an answer. And if I'm not wrong, if you follow my instructions, this is the answer you should get. Because I don't have a calculator right now. I don't know. I'm just getting it. Where is it? I could have just calculated them for you. But you guys can check it for me, na? Just check it for me. Okay, I got it. Let me do them one by one. Even if it takes time, at least the students who are watching the recording will, have a comfortable time understanding. Minus 1.5x, then plus half into 0.5 into minus 0.5 into minus 3 whole square divided by 2, that is going to be minus 1.125. That is going to be minus 1.125. Okay, minus 1.125. Actually, if I do that in shift, minus 9 by 8, am I getting minus? Yes, minus 9 by 8. So this is actually minus 9 by 8, but we can just keep it like that, square. Then after that, I'm having half, that is 0.5 into 0.5, which is going to be negative 0.5, multiplied by minus 1.5, multiplied by minus 3 whole cube, okay? Minus 3 whole cube, fine, into 1 divided by 6. If you don't know how to input all these values in calculator, please do them separately, okay? So I'm getting around shift minus 27 by 16. Perfect, I got it. Chalo guys, minus 27 by 16 x cube. Fine. Okay, now let's do the next ones. Now these. Find the binomial expansion till x cube. Okay, you guys will do A and B for me now. Then I will again do it anyway. So I'll pause the recording, do A and B. So find example number 3. Find the binomial expansion of 1 minus x whole raised to 1 by 3. So let's do this as well. This is just like the previous sum which we are doing. Okay, paste. So let's start. It's going to be 1 1 minus n 1/3 x and x, okay, then plus n minus 1, okay, into minus x square divided by 2 factorial, then plus 1/3 into 1/3 minus 1, 1/3 minus 2 into minus x whole cube divided by 3 factorial, which is 6. Okay, and they said find till x cube, and that's what we did, find till x cube. Okay, so we are having 1 minus 1/3 of x plus, let's do this in the calculator, 1/3, which is in bracket 1/3, multiplied by 1/3 minus 1. Now this 1/3 minus 1 is pretty hard for me to give in my calculator, but some people of you, some of you guys do have good calculators, you know, where you can give 1/3 minus 1 very easily, but I found a way of doing it. Okay, into 1 by 2 factorial. Okay, I'm getting minus 1 by 9. I'm getting minus 1 by 9 x square. Is it correct? Let me see the mark scheme. Minus 1 by 9 x square. Yes, minus 1 by 9 x square. I got that. And let's go to the next one. Again, 1/3 multiplied by 1/3 minus 1 multiplied by 1/3 minus 2 close bracket multiplied by 1 divided by 6 whole cube. Okay, there is a sign over here. Okay, I'm getting, how much is it? Shift 5 divided by 81, but there is a negative sign here. There is a negative sign here. It's going to be negative 5 divided by 81 x cube, because the sign is negative. Let me check. Minus 5 divided by 81 x cube is the answer. Okay, so a part is done. Now we have to, I have to explain you this. Expansion is valid as long as so and so is less than 1. Let me check that. I'll pause the recording. Wait. So how do you write this? This is how you write it. Look, what is given over here? Minus x. Now, so this is what you would write. Whatever is given here, minus x, okay, is less than 1. This is what you would write. Minus x is less than 1. Therefore, modulus of x is less than, because I don't know how many of you guys did this. There are no students but modulus at bhitar negative it becomes positive. So minus modulus of x will become modulus of x less than 1. Straightforward. But yeah, what will happen if they give you other letters and stuff, that I'm going to show you. But for the time being, we did this. Now let us do how to do this. Let us learn how to do this sum. B part, okay? B part is going to be paste. Okay, let's learn how to do this. So, এটা হয়ে যাবে 1 plus 4x raised to minus 2. Okay, so how would you write this? 1 plus n is minus 2 into 4x plus n minus 1 n minus 1 into 4x whole square divided by 2 factorial, then plus minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 4 into 4x whole cube divided by 3 factorial, which is 6. Okay, so that's going to be 1 minus 8x. Again, 3 to the 6, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. This both will make it positive. Okay, 4 4 is 16. Okay, 16 into 3, 16 into 3, that is going to be 48. 48x square, that is going to be positive 48x square. In this case, 3 and 6 gets cancelled. Both are positive. There is a negative sign here. 4 cube, 4 raised to 4. 4 raised to 4, which is going to be 256 x cube. That's going to be negative 256 x cube. Okay. So let me check over here. Minus 256 plus 48 minus 8. There you go. Now, one thing you guys are supposed to know here is modulus of 4x over here. Okay. Okay, modulus of here they're saying how is it valid? Look here, what is given? 4x. So you read 4x. Modulus of 4x is less than 1. So therefore, modulus of x is less than 1 divided by 4. You know how 1 divided by 4? Division hoega sarki. So that is the answer for as long as it is valid. If they ask you expansion is valid as long as modulus of 4x less than 1, x is less than 1 by 4. Everyone understood till here or not? Tell me. Kainat, Viviesha, Ashraf,
Yes.
me, everyone?
Yes.
Fine.
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Now next. Okay, now let's continue with the next one. Chalo. These are kind of complicated right now. They said root of 1 minus 2x. Did I do 1 minus 2x on top over here so that it gets easier for us? Did I? No, I did not. Okay, chalo. Everyone opens 1 minus 2x for me over here. They said find the expansion of, okay, including the term x cube. Till x cube, you guys need us supposed to open it. By substituting x equals to 0.01, find the suitable decimal approximation of root 2. I will explain you the last line later on. First, you open the bracket for me till x cube. Then I will let you guys know. I'll pause the recording. Resume recording. They said by substituting x equals to 0.01. So in place of x, you have to substitute 0.01. We need to find a decimal approximation for root 2. That means one of the value has to be root 2 on the left hand side. On the right hand side, everything has to be some sort of decimals. So how do we do that? Let me show you. So this particular equation is correct. So let me just write it down here in the new page, or I can just rub the whole thing. Yeah, fine. So this is new page. Here it is there. When you okay. They said x equals to 0.01. So can I do 1 minus 2 into 0.01 is equal to 1 minus 0.01 minus 0.01 whole square minus 0.01 whole cube divided by 2. Divided by 2? Everything. Was it divided by 2 or divided by 3? Actually, everything is divided by 2. X square. Okay. Now, is there a negative sign here? Yeah, it is. If minus sign is outside. Fine. What are we getting inside? We are getting 1 minus 2 into 0.01. That is 0.98. That is 0.98 is equal to 1 minus 0.01 minus 0.01 whole square divided by 2. Remember that minus sign is not coming inside 0.01 bracket. Okay, remember that 0.01 is different over here. 1 into 10 raised to minus 4. 1 into 10 raised divided by 2. 5 into 10 raised to minus 5. 5 into 10 raised to minus 5. Minus sign 0.01 cube divided by 2. 0.1 cube divided by 2. 5 into 10 raised to minus 7. Okay. 10 raised to minus 7. Okay. 1 minus 0.01 minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 5. Okay. Minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 7. Okay. 0.9899. Again, I'll say 0.9899495. Let me see whether that is correct. Yeah, perfect. Now this, I still could not convert this 0.98 to root 2. Still could not do that. Achha, then for that, let me simplify it even further. Can I do 98 divided by 100? If I'm not wrong, it is 100, yeah? 98 divided by 100? Yes, 0.98. I need root 2. I still need root 2. Okay, chalo. So 98 divided by 100. We need to simplify. We need 2 over here on top. We need 2 on top. So that is going to be root of 98 is going to be 98 divided by 2. 98 divided by 2. How much is it? 49. Can I do 49 into 2 divided by root of 100 is equal to whatever this is. Copy paste. Copy paste over here. 9. Now, what is root of 49? 7. 7 into root 2, which I got because they told us to find the exact value of root 2 in our question. Divided by root of 100 is 10. And paste. Now we will cross multiply. Divide by 7. So root 2 is equal to paste. Okay. Multiplied by 10. Divided by 7. Is this understood? Check 0.9899 495 multiplied by 10 divided by 7. Okay, that is your root 2 value. That is your root 2 value. How much is it? 1.4142. 13571. Tumra jodi amni calculator root 2 dao. Check how much you're getting. Exactly the same value. Till 2134 in the correct answer. 571. Is that understood? Everyone, what I did over here? Somehow I converted the left hand side root part to root 2. How? This is the changing point. Right hand side x এর জায়গায় I took 0.01 and I got a value. উম্মে সবাই বুঝছে এটা? সবাই বুঝছো?
Yes.
Everyone understood?
Yes.
Fine. চলো এটা রেকর্ড হইছে? রেকর্ড হইছে. So now I can give you guys homework. Let me just give you guys homework. That would be better. Leko exercise 3A. 1E, please. Exercise 3A, binomial expansion. 1E. Try doing G. Okay, 1E and G from here. Then question number 3. 1E, question number 1E, G, question number 3. Then excuse me, question number 6, please. This 3 is your homework. Page number, old book, old C4 book, page number 28. Page number 28. Okay, I think that's it for today. I will leave you guys 10 minutes early anyway. Okay guys, tada everyone. Chalo, tada.